Okay, what we have here today is a demonstration to show the difference between an oil-soluble form of nutrients and a biocellular micellized form of these same types of nutrients. A lot of important nutrients such as vitamin A, beta-carotene, zeaxanthin, lutein, lycopene, these are all fat-soluble materials. That is, they are soluble in oil but not soluble in water. In order for the body to more effectively absorb these, they have to be micellized, and the body does that by creating microemulsions so that they can enhance the absorption so that these oils can be broken up into small particle sizes and then transported in the body through the water-based bloodstream. What we do with the biocellular micellization process is actually take the same nutrients and we make them into micelles in advance. In other words, we break this oil down into a small particle size that then is a greater chance of increased absorption and increased utilization. So what we want to be able to demonstrate is two exact formulations containing the same amount of nutrients, one in the oil form and the exact same ingredients in a water form, and actually see what happens when you put them into water. And this being the oil form, of course, if you pour that into water, you find that, of course, it beads up, and it will come to the surface. You can swirl that, you can mix it, and no matter what you do, it's still going to be on top because the oil is not going to be soluble in the water. So that means you have to have a process of breaking down that oil particle size so that it becomes more available in terms of absorption in the body. If you take the biocellular micellized of the exact same ingredients and you add that to water, what you find is that it is completely soluble in water and it's 100% dissolved right away. So this is the difference between the two systems. What we're doing is mimicking what the body does and creating a micelle so that you could better absorb it, and it goes into water very, very quickly. Therefore, it's able to be absorbed and transported more efficiently and effectively in the body. And that's what we're trying to show, that we're actually mimicking what the body does, trying to make it more efficient in terms of uptake of these important oil-soluble nutrients.